I think I am a person who always loves to explore. Palagi, my pala is my biggest inspiration. Khadu nai always nyamnyu yakpu sagorta, lobjo yakpu chigore, nyamnyu yakpu sagore, semba sambo chigore. So I think that being a Dechen salon is something like starting from zero. Yang ngara career ginyama ni nyamnyu sama jika position the sama you sadula the Dechen salon le I started from zero. So di chidu wala I gained lot of experience. Experience shukchumu shures. Experience not just life like dinga har samdudulana. It's not just about the work. Personal experience too. Life should be always balanced between your passion, your work, your personal life, your family life, your spiritual, your own mental health. Everything should be balanced all together. So, being our life, thanda, I'm dealing with this, and still it's a long way to go, thanda ene. Because this is one major I just want to show my creativity that the ongoing re. Thanda, but still I need many steps to go forward. Thalanda industry pe vast. There is so many things to learn, upgrade so yeah, I will not stop learning. I will keep on learning. I will keep on evolving. I will keep on exploring. Yeah, and I think that's happiness, my kind of happiness. Hello everyone. Ani tring story of Tibetan gi ngala interview lenge kusala tasle and theme my be story of Tibetan gi simu singe da andila muthine gyabgyon nange ta supporter ni thangma la nge ning thabo ne tasle ye ani ngeming la burga Dechen dogai ani thada majutula la yue be Dechen salon gi nga co-founder Ani ta burger se di chidangi ngarangi phamagi rigyu mingji chawore ta di ngarangi lungba sewa na gyuba sewa na lama sewa na zawela ma sewa ta di burger chadugalan di burger Dechen salon chini chawore Peba ta ngaranzo community je ta peba lana I think ngaranzo peba lawa some the I think what unites us is kongsa chong zawe lama ani ngarang gi susu gi samlo da de ngarang gi nyamyu khari samlo ki dai ne zo kerang gi chowa khari yimbai ne ngarang zo gi zawe lama kongsa chue gi kalob di khatu ne follow chi mi sangbo khadi ne chi gore mi khatu ne khari chowa kerang khari ne mi sangbo ji che ani kuno yak bo ji ke ra ani odi ta nga pheba re sang one do chira chidang thamoshewana phoda phumuchina ente kheba khai kuch thoma se chidang gi nga lega chisa kunjo ga dengi khadu ne company yakpu do da khadu ne associate chisa me like minded jinda ina kime do ngarang gi mentor khona starting khona kime pe woman pe powerful khona zungi gi mentor do shadungala nga khonzo le pe inspire and khonzo ine nga do le pe inspire chani I think that is more yagado ra yagado ngarang zun le ende do chi do gola ra ta di in gender equality re ta susu khari kale gyawe na ta pe nang ngi gi position chikpa chikala phuchi shamba jiwe na ta ine ngarang gi susu gi result di ta pe nang anju gi project ite wa ngarang zu gi result di tendu gola ya khari ne ning je ji tendu gola ane ngarang zo le la ja phajo di la ja da ngajo tis la ja thande manga ra to khais minded do chi tons ka ane dinga la thanda bu ngarang le ga chigyo thangma experience di khadu na mangche 진다 도이나 가서 내가 지사에는 참 김에 양차대 오라 그래서 어디 지단기 nga tatanda manjutila ta thanda ta saulana now almost it's 2 years tangegi ngarangi tanan thojala ta khalore this chik phebegi hairdressing gala this tadungala this chik this tawakida mandarish ra tawakida mandarish but it's okay thanda chigura lobjong mena mizele khongma kyona hairdressing chere but that's the old thing that the chik do there but I'm here nga I'm your tangarangi susu mi shamba kha chigido that tangarangi impact dikhari swe lana pena nga do ina nga lobjong mangboji chi lobjong in every aspect la lobjong chi du wala and the hair di for me is a passion coloring is a passion and di nga follow chi du wala susu ing susu lobjong nyamdo lobjong pe khe chimbo and susu khari chi na lobjong pe khe chimbo lobjong chi dingala ing yu and di passionately chi jira ani kesi sui chi nai ta khe di career de su pa sui chi nai ra passionately chiro mare susu passionately chi susu hasanando chi ni chi ani dingala lobjong e at shape khe chimbo le samge ra that was a big challenge. Pe challenging tho chasta ne ngara nyam nyam pe awsas. So ta chidangi namgi ne ngara zo ta kya ji zo la ta khar event do ina re khawa ine ta mi ki mala theni lega chi de ora. So khadi ne this chik ede tamde do de chidang khais me ro and lega khadi ne pe passionately pe lega enjoy chi ni chi ora. So thambo manjurele de nga dukja khai thomas nga ta opportunity del ta ora nga saja chinji dila ta nga dik hundreds how I will make this room my creative working space la nga odi vision ta nilemba and how many people are going to be in my team la nga ing ye shuk chumo chinile nga shida drawback shida ta mera nga ing bet khora passion ki ta this is going to be my creative place ta dini nga creativity tungi pheba ma thugre la ne bet ing le ro ta deler le du gala ya ta namgyu ne susu company la pe head chine de du gala susu wala lega chinge staff ngap chu ni shu khari ne chik wala lega chidinge doji all the time shu du ta dela le du gala susu lega chinji ne susu chu he do but it's okay susu enjoy chini chi ta I enjoy whatever I do but yes challenges khashe ji khare the so but I don't want to talk about it ra this chick pomo chani like there are some challenges it's okay I overcome everybody faces challenges in their life ma challenges ma face che ta chistela especially this chick disappoint pe kimalanga and some I should give up some major khala da give up kharangi nge ki susu vision dimi shema goma chudu gala ani di ade do chick ta yor ta challenge mambu de test but anyways I stick on my passion nga give up chime nga passion di nga ngarangi he artistry di sutte ngarang dela impact chisha ngarangi studio chinje dila mi legyo dila mi symbol chiklena sumo sulena I will make them feel like a celebrity give them a very good hair makeover give them a lifetime experience give them a lot of hair knowledge and that was my vision and ding am do langarang yam do su team up che dunzola skill ya ko su dunzola lobjong ya ko te tangarang yuni su shonge su le na dila lobjong ya ko jite that's it ta odi chin and ngegi vision of focus in shida thonante many challenges the chunks everybody face challenges you have to run the show go with the flow lamga lam de ta khai kale thim da thamo sho ngara ki nyamnyu di pha chik shedu di de kale che me do susu gi shedu pe cute pe soa pe cute da chidang giving susu gi chidang gi mi shimbala ta khadu ne mi le de chhe mi chi gi mi je chi la pen tho wa na mi chi gi career pu su ne mi chi gi career nge gi lapcha dang nge gi lamden di gi chi ga ji career ji lam do ji ma nge de ne lam ji grana and that's chhe re something a chi gi ta phajo de leng ma leng this susu la ko la ra ta ngarang dam la yudu I'm quite a strict teacher nge gi make sure chi ta ngarang dam la internship chi ji parela nge make sure chi ki they are focus in lega chi focus ni jang khari ne chigyo data sewa ne khari thole ne thambo practical theoretical sulop jong da nyamyo de every aspect la ne shuma susugi salon chik chetwe da khadi ne mikima la dothe gi chigera odi ngarangi ngene khanda도 chik labgyera ani dinala ta khashe yakuyung gore khashe ngumare said that's completely up to them. Successful, I don't know, but yes, I'm happy. Ngarangi creativity di, chidangi ngarangi vision di, ngarangi hair artistry di, ma tueng goeda di, ngarangi susugi art di, ma tueng goeda. Ani ngegi kubjagala chela legi music dwa, odi happy to di. That is the main motive, and I think that is what gives me happiness. So success and failure. And success if it's success then yes I'm successful even if I fail I think I would changi so yeah hair gi service it completely depends upon category to category, salon to salon, stylist to stylist. The pinna everywhere there is immense number of salons. Salon di nalola kirangi service chikta product hari chikit enmi chinge dusuresha. Di pay verify chugor the haisana hashe salon la gumu yidon sumdon gita europe bat kura salon chik la gumu tona gate wa na salon chik la gumu yidon sumdon lewa na ta di gumu yidon sumdon la di service ta di chinge da di product ta di sama cha ge orda ta di la is that salon giving you guarantee ta yora ta susu gi brand reta brand it's completely fine, it's completely up to you kirang khawa do na this completely up to you kirang gi susu gi salon nanglola salon mangbo shu re ne ta mangche ta chige lungba do na re mumbai do na re ta thande khali ta delhi mangche kharche ola na celebrity stylist ta exclusive in the studio susu gaji susu namgyu ne celebrity lega chige susu nyamyo ya ge sagyo den jo sama Khurang gi salon khaji prizes ta khurang gi expertise khoram mi shema da manda edu wala ani di gi prizes hama odi de to very sure so di khurang gi as a customer susu gi experience la pawe khande do ne susu chu share en chidang gi machine ngarang zo phebe gi luksula kya le di every month every week salon la lir kya ki me lopta phomuni ne chine re ki mein housewife in a working woman every month every week they're in the salon is like a therapy for them around the phebe do na ekam gi salon la de lo chik la thank jigs to salon la ta swe do jikirwa especially like young moms pu ama chana lo ki me lo chir do na and the do gal susigi self love hair is something like not just about hair makeover is something it's about self love so yeah ani logic la thank color yakuji tang ani chamsam susu spa do chi and that's it I think that is necessary unnecessary mare right yeah and doch okay chala yes definitely the number one criteria kira pesha manga te gimse number one the salon name the brand okay kirang la chala hari phechitangi du ra chala gumu gya gi market la gemi chala gumu gya ngap kya la rae chala yore chipe ko gumu thinga gi chala ya rae yore so it's completely up to you kirang khade like whatever you prefer kirang gi lifestyle la pawe khade go so yes ngarang ni no matter what chala pe quality no matter how expensive it is whether it's hair protection in a re texture treatment in a re coloring in a re this hangma pe kang su ni chige rang ninga exclusive khara color the product sama odran pe chudanga ta pena coloring the chama ta ngana ju gyala majority use chinge the machi wa chenga message gi chige ne color dam da ya this color ta ne dry chaw color ta sana pe dry chaw color ta ne dry much hair ki linen se argan oil content chigyo this is how matter chigre color ta du color any hair straightening rebonding these are very harsh chemical pe texture jigda chidang gi nga jo pheba jola rebonding straightening lai the concept but honestly this is how nga jo pheba tel goye kona yomar these are very harsh chemical dinjo sama gya ta pe silu dinjo do atu jo ichidur ya ga da yemi ho hair costra azu pheba asian hair la ta pe yapu naturally ta dil this free treatment do chik china mado shinda dinje rebonding chuma that's why I don't do such harsh chemical nge gi product hai harsh chemical humor it's sulfate free it's paraben free and number 1 khecheshidi I use vegan counts in the vegan product which chitangye and specifically salon nang la product mang che thanda khena ma chama yu na mena google chewa na salon ge product mang che cosmetic ina khari ne di animal semje gala testing shukchmu shiu chire animal cruelty pe tuja chire so ye product mang che khyong ge ganza it's animal cruelty free ting around so nang ba chadu gala ta gong chimbo shona sure but I will get the product which is eco-friendly so yeah and yes definitely so creativity ngarangi creativity ngarangi cream gi team gi hard work creativity and the knowledge ki yodi differ chora odin I think it's been more than like lobjong chigi nyamyo sage say it's been more than like 10-12 years yeah lobjong da khala da early nga lo chinjin ne bet kura lobjong chigi the career ka na khari ne experience chigi nyam da go sura so it all include chini chinjin ni thanda bodo so many changes yeah chinju gala we are very innocent ta khalo de chinchi ni chembo but every part of journey is very it's very beautiful it's good it's bad it's learning when you're it's you're also evolving you're growing I don't give up I don't sit down and maybe I sit down for a day or two then I wake up I get up so yes life like the ngarangi kharishins lana ngarangi nyamnyon do that the way I take my life I don't take it so like business minded the materialistic should the member che susuki life career family spiritual belief this is thangma thanda injimiji you don't have to wait till you're gengo kira gengo chawa the injimiji chhe chugor da gengo chawa da you can do it all together right now right away susu legai chi susu passion follow chi susu personal life ye ani susu gi chuzo la shapchi shu to go ne chi ani susu so wo dinge lawana shin ngaranzu zawela magi onsa chegi kalob de la follow chi susu semba sambu chi susu tawa dan susu kulong de yapo ki ani susu chhe shada shola chituna thandarang ne yo and I think that's I believe in this and I follow that what does he
yes
ta ngarangi ta khashore I think ngarangi susugi experience la ngarangi susugi samlo danda do china like if somebody is kira susu feel khari nai susugi feel khari nai always simple sambod che da kulong yapo have a good intention and be passionate passion yogo di la focus chi no matter what the passion thing chik chigi la sana that no matter what condition chejo never give up and this should and lam sawa definitely you will get success so the result that I never give up any life like never stop to explore life like life chik yore ta dila kerala chinge mambuchi ture so do everything explore vision sha odila follow chi